Here's a natural drink that clears your lungs and stops coughing in just 3 days. Coughing isn't just annoying, it's your body's way of saying, "Help me out." Whether it's from a cold, allergies, or pollution, your lungs need some love. The miracle drink. Ingredients. Here's what you need. 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, turmeric, teaspoon ginger grated. How to make it. Simply mix all the ingredients, let it sit for 5 minutes, and sip slowly. Why it works. Lemon fights mucus buildup. Honey soothes the throat. Turmeric reduces inflammation. Ginger clears congestion. Drink this twice a day for 3 days and feel the difference. Have a go-to remedy for coughs? Drop it in the comments.